In 20 years, will we still carry around phones as we use them now? Will we have wearables? Something else? What's it going to look like? Are we going to have phones still? Go ahead.
Well, I will say, at the Media Lab where I work, there's a huge amount of research being done right now on different types of interfaces to the body, right? So we're talking about interfaces not only to the brain, which is being explored both commercially and academically, but also to different organs. And one of my colleagues, Janan, is doing some really incredible research in that area. So the idea that we'll have computation embedded in other areas, not necessarily just in a thing you hold in your hand, that could be part of our clothing, et cetera, I think is very much a part of this. I will shout out some of the amazing work of my colleague at MIT, Jim Collins, in his lab, where they're actually taking freeze-dried cell lysates. Okay, so this is like the guts of a cell, and you can freeze-dry that stuff, and it's literally magic. You put water onto it, and it reconstitutes the cell guts, so it actually can perform some of the functions of a cell. And so people are using those, for example, in masks. That could be a wearable that could detect a virus like SARS-CoV-2. When it binds, the cell-free lysate activates, and now you've got a little color change. So there's sort of a variety of augmentation that you can imagine that could both be computational but also biological, and maybe even weirder, computation plus biology together in hybrid devices that could be part of our clothing and other places too. So.